Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to use Asana templates. This feature is a game changer, saving you time and streamlining your project management. First things first, log into your Asana account. Look at the top right corner and click on the plus new button. Select Use a Template from the drop-down menu. Now that we've done that, you'll see a list of pre-made templates. This helps us because it offers a range of project frameworks to choose from, making your job easier. Next up, choose a template that suits your project needs. Asana has templates for every kind of project, from marketing to product launches. The reason we do this is to ensure that our project has a solid, proven structure from the start. Once you've selected a template, click on the Use Template button. A new window will pop up where you can customize the template to your liking. This is important because every project is unique, and this step allows you to tailor the template to your specific needs. After you've customized the template, click on the Create Project button. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is creating a new project based on your chosen template, with all the sections, tasks, and milestones already in place. The final step is to assign tasks to your team members. Simply click on each task and select an assignee. This helps us ensure that everyone knows what they need to do and when they need to do it. And there you have it. You've just set up a project using an Asana template. Remember, templates are there to make your life easier, so don't hesitate to use them. By using these templates, you're not only saving time, but also setting your project up for success. That's all for today. Keep exploring, and remember, Asana is a tool that's designed to work for you. Until next time.